Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows not detecting second monitor. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the first thing you need to do if Windows isn't detecting your monitor is just make sure that it's properly plugged in. The next thing you need to do is, even if it is plugged in, just unplug it and replug it, as it's worth doing that. And if you've got any other ports which you could use, then that's worth trying as well. Another thing you should check if you just recently got your monitor, and that is that the monitor is actually switched on. There may be a power button that you need to press to turn it on. So make sure to do so, and also check if you've got the right source selected on your monitor as well, because if it's got multiple inputs, then it may be trying to detect an input for a different source that it's got. The next thing you can try is actually in the Windows. So what we need to do is right-click anywhere on your desktop, and then we're going to get some options here. Now all you want to do is tap on display settings like this. Inside it, what you should do is scroll down and expand the multiple display section. Now click on the detect button to detect the other display. Hopefully Windows will detect your display if it hasn't already. The next thing we need to do is open up your device manager. So to do that, all you need to do is come to the bottom of Windows and search for the device manager. Once you're in your device manager, locate display adapters and expand it by clicking on the arrow. As you can see, here is my display adapter. I've got an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. Now, what we need to do is make sure you've got the driver for your display adapter or your graphics card. If you want to see some more information about it, then all you need to do is right-click on it and then press Properties. Inside it, tap on Driver, and then you could try updating the driver from here. But personally, I prefer to search on Google for the driver. So I will then search for my graphics card drivers here and give it a go. Now, make sure you go to the official website, and as you can see, we've got the official GeForce drivers from NVIDIA. Simply access the official website, and then what we can do is actually do this manual driver search, or we can do this automatic driver update as well. Simply update the drivers and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can fix Windows not detecting second monitor. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.